Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing very well. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna share with you very beautiful clutches design ideas. So guys, in this video you can see only just clutches design ideas in the different shape and color. I also hope you like my today's video. So if you like my today's designs, so like my video and share the link with your family members and other. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and I'm thankful to all those people who subscribe my channel. And please press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you get all the notification of my videos.